We're getting to the point now where people are growing up with the technology that enables great personalization and recommendations from a brand. It's no longer a nice-to-have feature to have a good interaction with your consumers. It's now a requirement.
Many large retailers that have traditionally built their businesses around brick-and-mortar stores are trying to think about how they compete with the likes of Amazon that have been leading in the technology space. WibiData builds applications to help traditional enterprises take advantage of all of the data that's coming at them from so many different sources and bring this together to optimize the customer experience and deliver personalized product recommendations, targeted offers, content optimization, and other things that you couldn't really consider credibly before you could put all the data about your customers in one place.
WibiData today offers one core product, which is the commercialization of our open source KG project that allows customers to build a customer data platform, giving them a 360-degree view of their customers. A 360-degree view of a customer is information gathered from multiple application touchpoints.
And so what WibiData is really allowing companies to do is act on this data in real time as it's happening.
In the same way that we saw relational databases change the way we thought about data 20 years ago, this new generation of data infrastructure is creating opportunities for new and more powerful applications today.
Traditional enterprise software companies today were built in a world where data was static, where everything was structured relationally, and where workflow was the way to accomplish enterprise organizations. It really takes a next generation, people who grew up at Google, who grew up at Amazon, to think completely out of the box in terms of how enterprises should operate, running on large data sets, running on predictive models.
Big data is a class of data sets that are too large to fit and process in conventional data storage and processing systems like relational databases. Big data is often used to record transactional data. For instance, what is every user clicking on at any moment on a given website?
Companies like Amazon use their personalization technology to improve lift by 20, 30, sometimes more %. Traditional retailers are just starting to scratch the surface with this type of technology. Existing solutions out there today maybe get you in the range of 2, 3, 4%. But with WibiData's applications, we're able to close that gap and deliver increased revenue, increased customer retention, and ultimately a better user experience that brings them back.
WibiData is really the first time that these technologies are available for large, high-value brands to bring the technology in-house and own their data and own the customer experience themselves.
Today, WibiData works with Fortune 500 retailers and financial services companies because they've been at the forefront of the adoption of this next generation of big data infrastructure. But it doesn't stop there. The challenges that we see are applicable across many industries, ranging from healthcare to media to telecommunications.
When we talk to brands about WibiData's product offerings, they're most excited about the ability to create better customer loyalty, increase the average order value, and increase the overall lifetime customer value. We're helping these companies come into the 21st century and deliver the kind of customer experience that consumers have come to expect.